Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do the black voodoo magic on the ENGWE Engine PRO, which means unlocking the speed. This is the new 2.0 version of the Engine Pro. So when you get the bike to be conform with the European law, you have a throttle which only works for something like, when it's in assisted mode, doesn't matter which one, you get something like 5 kilometers per hour. It shows 6.6 because it's not under load, but when you are riding it, it doesn't go over 5 kilometers per hour. Also, regardless of the assisted mode here, the bike is not going to go faster than 25 kilometers per hour. So to disable all of that nonsense and get a fine from the police, you just have to press these two buttons, plus and minus, hold them pressed until it enters the settings, and don't touch anything else. Now hold the plus button, and you are going to hold it for something like 15 seconds, and we are going to wait for that and wait. Then you are going to see that something changes on the screen. Still a few seconds needed, and you get 100 kilometers per hour speed limit. So the speed limit has moved from 25 to 100. Of course, the bike will not do 100 kilometers per hour, but at least now we should get some performance out of it. So now you can press plus minus to exit the menu. And now, as you can see, in the regardless of the assisted mode, we have transformed this into a real beast, and we are going to get some proper performance out of it. The throttle now, regardless of the assist mode, will work up to something like 45 kilometers per hour, and the assisted mode now is going to be very interesting. It's going to be speed limited, and also this is torque limited because this is a torque sensor e-bike. So now in the first assist level you are going to get some helping power and also a speed limit, then on second gear and so on, while on fifth assisted mode here you are not going to have any kind of speed limit. The bike will try to help you achieve the highest possible speed that it can do with its motor, as long as you are still pedaling and putting some torque on the pedals. Otherwise you can use the throttle and it does properly the similar stuff that it does by you pedaling. So that was it. As you can see, very simple, very easy to do the black voodoo magic on the new Engine Pro 2.0. Also, to reverse that is the same thing. You are just going to enter the menu again. You are going to press this on, and from 100 kilometers per hour it's going to drop to 25 kilometers per hour, and that's it. It's going to lock the speed, and it's going to put the throttle here back to 5 kilometers per hour. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Be sure to follow my other ones also related to the ENGWE and other bikes. Until then, see you and bye bye.